Guys, go on a hot girl walk today. They are so much fun. It is so beautiful outside, and of course you're gonna get some exercise.
Why does the world keep passing? Overwhelmed or underwhelmed, the lights were flashing. It's a dead man's party for anyone asking. We're daring, dashing, some punks laughing, and we're alive, burning, crashing. I'll find myself in another place, to find myself in another place, deciding who's fighting the sun. But then
Okay guys, so my room isn't done, but do y'all want a room tour once it is? Because the vibes are immaculate. So comment down below if y'all want a room tour, because I would love to film that. Hey guys, it is voiceover Maya. You guys have been asking me a lot for a skincare routine. I absolutely love Florence by Mills. I definitely recommend trying to figure out a skincare routine this summer. Just trying a whole lot of new products, because I think you're gonna find something you really love. So yeah.
Back out your condo, sunshine, space, fit, chillin', that's the motto. Do we really wanna take it there?
Girl, it's been too long. Clock done fell off the wall. Been out here writing songs. Where the hell did the time go? Take on my passions with pain, but would you do the same? I'm going so insane, thinking about where you and I go. 3 years seems like forever when you sit and think about it. I put my heart out on my sleeve, but I can't live without it. Baby, we can't keep melting like gelato. Too much time about to pull back out your condo. Sunshine's made for chillin'.
Hey guys, so we started off today with a morning walk, and we basically crossed the bridge, and now we're going to cross it back again to get back to my house.
Don't you ever dare bench me, cause you know I'm your favorite player. If you wanna, we can take it there. Summer nights, you're my favorite girl. We can face the world, we stay up until the sunrise. Sometimes you get angrier, things get dangerous. Can't get up and get on my ride. 3 years seems like forever when you sit and think about it. I put my heart out on my sleeve, but I can't live without it. We can't keep melting like gelato. Too much time about to pull back.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears before they roll. When I'm thinking about you, ooh, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you, you, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I'm thinking about forever. Ooh. Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I'm thinking about forever. No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I can sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it, though I'm lying down thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no.
When you are all out of words, what is there to say? Feeling like my dreams are a curse. Someone show the way. Because I might need someone to help me sleep at night and see another day. When you are all out of words, what is there to say? Fumbling in and out, it was within, but now I'll have to live without. Fumbling back and forth, and I wanna go back on what I said. Yeah. What is there to say? Feeling like my dreams are the worst. Someone show the way. Because I might need someone to tuck me in at night and see another day. See another day. When you are all out of words, there's nothing to say.
Hey guys, so I think this is the first time I'm talking to you guys in this vlog. I thought it was going to be done on the 4th of July, but then we decided to go to the art walk, so of course I filmed there and I want to show you guys what we got. So first off, there were these really pretty like aqua crystal earrings, and I just like wanted that but in a necklace, and she didn't have like a crystal that was that exact same color, but she had this really pretty green one, and she went ahead and like made it for me because it was already made, and this is what it looks like. I think it is really pretty. I don't actually know what her business is called. I didn't get a business card. I didn't really see like a logo or anything, but she sold like a lot of crystal stuff, and I just think this is really cute, and I've been wanting a necklace like this for a while, so I'm really happy to have that. And then the second thing that I got was this body scrub, and I just want to use this on spa days in general. I have not really used body scrubs. I don't want to get into that because I've been really getting into self-care and self-care products lately. So I got this strawberry cheesecake foaming body scrub, and this stuff smells so good. Like, I wish you guys could smell it because it is so good. Like, she was letting me just like smell them. She's like, I think you might like this, I think you might like this, and then I was like, ooh, that's good. And then when I tried this one, I was like, that's good. So we got that. She also sent me, or not sent me, but like let me take a sample of that same scent, but in like a mini little soap. So I'm really excited to try that. And her business is called Lavishly, and it's like a body boutique, living lavishly. So this is like little business card. She was saying they ship worldwide, so if you guys want to check them out, I definitely recommend that you do. So that was my little haul. I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video off here, unless we do another thing that was not expected. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you since you're done with this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I love y'all. Peace out.
Take it inside, not the side that I